Hello everyone. Many people looking for how to set drag theme in Firefox browser. So I am today going to show you how you can set drag theme in your Firefox browser. Firefox browser is a renowned browser for browsing fast and securely. So if you want to set drag theme in your Firefox browser, you need to go here. Okay, you have to go by this and you need to search for, you need to click on this themes option. From here on your left, click on this theme and then you can see here manage your themes. From here you can see system theme. Here you can see drag theme. Here you can see Firefox Alpenglow and the light. Okay, we need to activate our drag theme. So from here you can see drag, a theme with a drag color theme, and you need to click on this button enable. I am going to click on this enable and it will change. It will be changed. Let me click on it and this theme is changed to drag theme. Here you can see all website will be drag. Let me open. Let me open a website. Here is cnn.com and see this is a drag theme activated. If you want to disable this drag theme, then you have to click on this disable button again. Let me click on this and my drag theme is disabled. So if I want to enable again, I have to click on this enable, and if I want to disable, then click on disable. See, this is how easy it is. So I hope from now you can set drag theme yourself too in your Firefox browser. Thank you for watching my video. If it helped you, then like, comment and share. Also don't forget to share, subscribe. I hope you a good day. Bye.